And the name.
Yes. She is in McCune, turning 6, with birthday love coming from Mom and Dad. I love this picture.
Speaking of names, we've got one of the hookies on it celebrating his 7th birthday. It is Emmett. Emmett, a very happy birthday to you, kiddo. He's in Oswego.
All right. Also in Oswego, Claire Baker is celebrating. The prize-winning Claire Baker, raising the roosters.
Okay, so evidently, we got party planned here. We got party planners on our hand, as Hunter McCaffrey is celebrating his 18th birthday. Now, Hunter, I hope you're up and around with us, man. It's early for an 18-year-old to, on your birthday. You think you let the kids sleep in and whatnot. But I want you to know, Hunter, that this comes with love from Mom, Dad, Sean, Dylan, Chandler, and Grayson. But I got something to tell you, buddy. You're supposed to get your casino money ready.
That's right.
Hunter, I'm going to take umbrage to this on your birthday, my man. No, it's your birthday. You shouldn't be paying for it.
That's right.
So, Mom, Sean, Dylan, Chandler, and Grayson, you know what I'm telling you?
Pony up.
You get your casino money ready for Hunter.
That's right. That's right.
Happy birthday, my man.
All right, this birthday wish is going out to Daddykins.
What?
That's what it says. Bill Slager, happy 53rd birthday in Girard.
Okay.
Michael really wanted to read that one.
All right. No, I didn't see that one coming. Huh. How about that? Perry Berger's birthday was yesterday, and Perry is an extended member of the KOAM family. And Perry, a very happy birthday to you and Radley and your sister Marie, right there by your side. That's a marvelous family picture. Happy birthday, Mr. Berger.
All right. In Iola, Kansas, Roberta Crane, turning 79 years old. What a great picture there of Roberta. Happy birthday.
In Pittsburgh, a marvelous 85th birthday and a gorgeous picture from Mrs. Gloria HEBENSTRIET. Gloria, I hope you have a marvelous, marveless birthday.
We have a belated birthday wish going out to Winnie Pack, who celebrated birthday number 87 in Chanute.
Miss Winnie, I miss seeing you. I love that picture right there. That is tremendous. Who that is number one. That's one of our directors, Ethan Albright. Tanya and I spent many a noon show with Mr. Albright down here with us in the studio.
I remember when Mr. Albright was just a little kid.
I remember. I was about to say we could trace it back to when this kid was like in preschool. Ethan, we love you, my man, and a very, very happy birthday. Now he's got a mustache. Look at that.
Yeah.
He does it to show me up.
All right, and our production videographer, Mike Coonrod. What a nice picture there of you, Mike.
Very professional looking picture right there.
Yeah.
My goodness.
Somebody must know something about taking pictures.
Mike, it's a pleasure working with you. He brings a whole lot of skill to that position, and it's been wonderful to get to know you, and a very happy birthday to you. A happy birthday and happy anniversary to all, including Hunter. And I want to go back, and I'm just going to pick on the McCaffrey family here, okay? Hunter, it's your birthday. You don't spend your money. You make sure, I love what Tanya said. You tell everybody wish you birthday wishes, they pony up on this one. That's a perfect saying right there. That's where you send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com. You can also go to KOAMNewsNow.com and click on the birthday link. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right.
When you're at KOAMNewsNow.com.
Birthday Club. That's right. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.
Pony up!
Within one day.